Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. Sorry I didn't get a chance to make Friday's video yet, so this is for Friday. I've just been busy and it's Sunday now, so I guess that's been a few days. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this. So on Friday I did a little bit of digging at the end of the day, but for the most part I was up on the second story, which they're building currently. If you've ever been around job sites with concrete parking garages, then you kind of know what they look like. There is a bunch of like metal, I wouldn't say stilts, but there's a bunch of metal forms that are like, depending on how high the floor is, the ones that we're dealing with right now is probably like 20 foot high. So the parking garage is going to be 20 feet high, and then they're building a concrete ceiling on top of that, so they have to have the floor 20 feet high, and then they have to brace that because they're going to be pouring concrete on top of that. As you can see in the pictures that I will be throwing up, they're doing a PT deck, which stands for post tension. So post tension stands for basically these wires that they put through the floor. They're encased in plastic. Kind of looks like electrical wire, but basically what it is they put it in the concrete, and then once they pour the concrete and let it harden and stuff, then they come back and put tension on it later to support the building and stuff like that. If I'm not mistaken, that's how I've always understood it, or how people have told me how it works exactly. So anyways, I'll show you some pictures. I didn't really get a chance to walk around. I was pretty sore on Friday from digging on Thursday, so I didn't feel like walking around, coming back up and down the stairs one more time after the day was over. So hopefully I don't get stuck out at that job site, because one, it's probably going to be cold and raining for several months, and I don't want to be outside, unfortunately, but the work is pretty straightforward. And then second, it'll be really boring videos for you guys if I'm just out here gluing pipes together and stuff all day. So I'm not sure how exactly long, if I'll be back there during the next week or not, but either way, it is what it is. So anyways, I'm out here at one of my older job sites. Basically, this is an older job site that I used to work at a different company, but basically out here making sandwiches for the homeless people. So anyways, just out here in the Corvette right now. Just came from my friend's house. Still in my church clothes from yesterday because I fell asleep. We were watching movies, I fell asleep, and we just hung out all morning watching more movies. So still in my church clothes. So anyways, I need to go home and shower and get gas. The Corvette is on empty. But that's not why you're here. You guys are here to check out the video. So I'll show you the pictures from Friday, and hopefully you guys aren't super bored with that. I know you guys don't really like me talking. I feel like obviously you guys are here for the electrical stuff, but I appreciate you guys just dealing with me and talking, doing the intro videos and stuff like that to show you the pictures and stuff like that. But hopefully I'll be out at a job site where I can just kind of walk through at the end of the day and to show you guys what I'm doing. But if not, I hope you guys will understand that that's out of my control. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoy, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by once again, and make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. It would really help me out, help my channel grow, and subscribe if you want to see more electrical videos in the future. I upload Monday through Friday given the circumstances, and sometimes on the weekends. So that'll about do it. Check out the description for social medias. I'd appreciate that as well if you want to follow along on Instagram, or if I do any live streams on Twitch, video game streams and stuff like that. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.